right, sewer scope inspection. This is only about a 10-year-old home. I don't expect a lot of issues here. Super easy access through a port in the floor, and we'll see what we got. I like to show around the house a little bit so they know this is in fact the sewer that we're supposed to be looking at. All right, that right there screen is just a camera and a pipe. So there's a little bit of running water, and that just helps me get out to the actual city tap, kind of lubricates the line a little bit. And if it's in the way at all, I turn the water off on the way back so we can better inspect the line, but right now it's not a problem. All right, still scoping this line. And a lot of people forget this part, the sewer camera inspection. And they forget about it because it's an underground pipe that nobody thinks about. Unfortunately, you are responsible for it. And you're responsible for it on this home, 64 feet out. So here's the pipe, and I'm at the end, which is the city tap. And if I keep going right there, the camera is now in the much bigger pipe. It's in the city connection. So that's 64 feet of pipe on this home. This is a very typical Castle Rock home. And this one looks good. 64 feet that you own. So the pipe can be broken, separated at joints, roots come in the line, blockages, bellies, offsets. There can be all kinds of issues, and it's sewage. So yeah, it's a problem. It's a big problem when there's an issue in the line, because it is possible to back up into your home, although I think that's kind of rare nowadays, at least on the newer homes. But you're dumping all that stuff in the front yard somewhere. And the biggest issue is they're not very hard to repair, but they're extremely expensive to repair. Even a small portion of this line is going to require heavy equipment. Licensed contractors, you're going to have to dig in the yard, move sod, move irrigation, sometimes move city sidewalk and city blacktop and concrete. And yes, that is your expense. You own this line, so when you're buying a home, that is why we do a sewer scope. It's optional with us. We don't do it on every inspection. It's only if the clients want it. Thankfully, it's becoming more common. Probably 70% of our homes that we inspect, clients choose to get this line inspected before they go to closing. Some people still don't, and it can be a problem. Generally speaking, even on brand new homes, we find defects. So don't think 1 minute that just because it was put in the ground, it's good. It's certainly not. But it's not common. We don't find a ton of them in new construction that are busted up. The homes with the most amount of defects in a sewer line are the oldest. Once you get to that 50-year mark, there's probably something going on in there. Once you get to the 70, 80, 100-year-old mark, it's probably been replaced once or twice, or portions of it. And a lot of times we're just going to recommend a cleaning because it's full of grease and debris. But sometimes, more often than you might think, the sewer line needs a big repair. And I'm not kidding, a spot repair of a sewer line here in a typical Castle Rock home is easily $5,000 all day long. Full replacement of the line, which sometimes makes sense, $15,000 and $20,000. It's crazy amount of money. We charge $175 when it's done with a home inspection. It's just a little peace of mind to make sure that thing is working the way it's supposed to and there's no damage within the line. $175, or gamble and hope you don't have to have the $5,000 to $20,000 repair in the future. It's pretty easy to do. It only takes, what did this one take? 7 minutes. Sometimes they take a lot longer than that. But it's pretty easy to do, pretty important, and I'd recommend it anytime you go buy a home.